Good morning. In today's session, I will explain you classification of division algae. As I already told you in previous session, algae are simple chlorophyllous thalloid plant bodies. Most of them they are found in aquatic body. Some are freshwater forms, some are found in marine water. In algae, there are three groups made based on the habitat, based on the thalloid structure, based on the nature of cell wall, the type of photosynthetic pigment, and the stored food mode of reproduction. Let us discuss one by one. First division is chlorophyceae. Common name is green algae. These all are found in freshwater bodies. Some are unicellular, example Chlamydomonas. Some are multicellular colonial, example Volvox. Some are filamentous, example Eulothrix and Spirogyra. If you see these plants, it has a special cell wall made up of two layers. Outermost layer is made up of pectin and inner layer is composed of cellulose. It has a plastid which contain necessary pigments chlorophyll A and B. In them, the special pyronids, these are storing food material in the form of starch which are found within the chloroplast. Vacuoles are also functional. These algal bodies are found in fresh water and forming major source of food for the aquatic fauna. Fauna means animals. And they are cultured in the laboratory to extract the proteins from them, which is a main food supplement for the human beings. Nowadays, a common concept used single cell proteins. These are the extracts of these green algae used as a food supplements, the tonic. Coming to second division, it is Phaeophyceae. Common name is brown algae. These algal bodies are found in various forms. Most of them are multicellular filamentous. They also found a massive huge body having three parts. One part is holdfast, which is attached deep inside the ocean. They give creeping, growing, floating stem-like structures called as stipe, and the stipe produces the leafy foliages. These are called fronds. The excellent example for this is Sargassum, Dictyota, Fucus. These all are examples of brown algae. The cell wall having a slimy deposition known as algin. It is a hydrocolloid having water holding capacity. The inner layer of the cell wall made up of cellulose. Its chloroplast contain chlorophyll A and C along with carotene, xanthophyll and fucoxanthin. Because of this fucoxanthin, it appears brown in color. Coming to stored food in them, it is laminarin and mannitol. These are also widely used as food supplements by the human beings. Coming to third division, it is known as Rhodophyceae. Common name is red algae. They are usually found in marine water where the temperature is more. So we can call warm marine water. These plant bodies are reddish in color due to phycoerythrin pigment along with chlorophyll A and D. The cell wall is slightly thick in nature. Its stored food material is Floridian starch and it is similar to glycogen, for which we call animal starch. Thus, when we compare three divisions in algae, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, green algae, brown algae and red algae, all are aquatic. The first group Chlorophyceae found in fresh water, next two groups in marine water, last group is in warmer region of marine water. Its cell wall, it is made up of cellulose having pectin deposition. Second group having cellulose with slimy coating algin and a thick cell wall deposited with phosphate molecules. Its pigmentation for photosynthesis, chlorophyll AB, chlorophyll AC with fucoxanthin, carotene and xanthophyll, and here chlorophyll AD with phycoerythrin. Its stored food starch, laminarin and mannitol, Floridian starch. Now for all three, you remember common mode of reproduction. No need to differentiate here. All are reproducing vegetatively by fragmentation, asexually by producing zoospores, and sexually by isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. This already explained in the previous session. For first group chlorophysi, you remember three best examples: Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra, Ulothrix. For second, brown algae, remember example Sargassum, Dictyota, Fucus. And for third, Gracilaria, Gelidium, Polysiphonia. Here at least one example you need to write. This is how in the form of chart you can remember all the points from division algae with three classes. Kingdom Plantae, division algae, three classes. First class Chlorophysi, second class Phaeophysi, third class Rhodophysi. When I explained, I used division word. It is please replace by the word class. Right? Okay, coming to an end of the session, we'll study one by one how these algae are useful. Number one, they fixes maximum carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So we can call them as lungs of nature. They are the main producers in the entire ecosystem, trapping maximum solar energy. Number three, they are the major source of food for the aquatic life. Number four, algin is used as a hydrocolloid. Agar extracted from the red algae, which is used in various experiments in biotechnology. It is a source of nutrient medium which is used in tissue culture. Like this, you have to discuss 5 economic importance of algae for 5 marks. With this, I will complete today's session. Thank you very much.